Well, a few weeks after the COVID-19 vaccine for children 5 to 11 was approved, we hear from Louisville siblings who were a part of the trial.
WDRB's Christy Batista explains why they say they jumped at the opportunity.
Hundreds of people wanted to be a part of the vaccine trial here at the Novak Center for Children's Health, but only a handful of kids were selected. Two siblings say they wanted to be a part of science and help others along the way.
You like this trip?
Yeah. With so many options,
Where do you want to go?
Amelia and Drew Krause have a tough time deciding where to play next.
That one? Yeah.
But the decision to help others isn't so hard.
I just like the feeling of helping other people.
10-year-old Amelia and 8-year-old Drew were part of the COVID-19 vaccine trial through Norton Children's.
They understand that vaccination is our way out of this, and they were willing to volunteer for the study. And as it is, one of them got placebo and one of them got vaccine.
And neither of them knew what they got until it was given the green light by the FDA. Amelia got the placebo and has now gotten her first dose of the vaccine. More than 1,400 families signed up to be a part of the trial, but only about 90 were selected. But Drew and Amelia have different answers if you ask them why they wanted to do it. Amelia tested positive for COVID-19 right at the beginning of the pandemic.
I had to go to the ER twice and then spend 2 days at the hospital.
Her brother wanted to do it for other immunocompromised people. He was diagnosed with leukemia and just finished his last round of chemo right before the pandemic started.
With everything that he's been through, he's very accustomed to needle pokes and prods and testing and this and that. It really, he's unfazed by that. So
ultimately, they knew that by going through it, they'd be helping to get it approved for everybody else and hopefully getting closer to an end to the pandemic.
I'm hoping that COVID is over. Me too.
In Louisville, Christy Batista, WDRB News.